Can you actually bend the Motus light head into different positions? Hi everyone, I'm Becky and this is the Solar Centre where solar lighting actually works. This is everything you need to know about the Motus Solar Stake Lights. Let's get into it. Our Motus Solar Stake Lights combine modern design with advanced technology. This is all to help enhance your outdoor spaces. This light has a sleek black finish and dual white settings. We've got warm white and we've got cool white. This light is 55.4 centimeters tall and the light head is 3 centimeters tall and 10 centimeters in diameter. Let's open up the box and have a look. So inside the box we have the instructions, the light head, the stake poles and the suction cup. To set up these lights, the first thing you're going to want to do is screw the stake poles together. Then all you have to do is screw the assembled poles to the light head. Then you have your light. You can choose to only use one pole if you prefer your lights to be slightly shorter. The choice is yours. The reason this light is so special is because it has an adjustable light head. Simply twist the light head in the direction that you want to use this feature. You can access the inside of the light head by unscrewing the 2 screws next to the ball joint. Then use the included suction cup to lift this off the cap. This is how you're going to replace the batteries if you ever need to. This light is completely wireless, it works in winter and emits 50 lumens. Since this is a solar light, it features a dust sensor which turns on automatically after dark and you'll get roughly 10 hours of runtime on a full charge. These lights are perfect for lining flower beds, walkways or patios with timeless charm. If you have any questions on this product, please leave a comment below. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for watching and we'll see you in the next one.